Okay, so this is going to be a pretty short video. You've just bought yourself a brand new shiny DJI drone and you want to go and fly, but you're not sure if it's safe to fly where you're going. So you jump on the web, you jump on the DJI FlySafe website. It will come up, of course, in China because that's where DJI drones are made. I put in it doesn't really matter what you use here. I happen to be flying an Air 2S, and it puts you bang smack in the geographical center of wherever you are. No one lives there, believe me. And so let's go here. I happen to be in a tiny little place the last few days called Weewar, cotton growing capital of Australia. And I was staying in town, and you can see here quite clearly that I am in a no-fly zone. So it tells you that you've got the red, you've got enhanced warning zones, you've got authorization zones, and then you've got restricted zones. Now, there are no restricted zones in this particular location. Restricted zones you cannot fly under any circumstances unless you have essentially approval from the airport, and then you basically you need written approval and you need a written code. So let's ignore those. But authorization zones, which in this case is essentially, you can see it's the airstrip or the takeoff path. In this case, for this town, I know this is for a rescue helicopter. So anyway, what do? I'll show you how quick and easy it is. It's basically 3 steps and you are up in the air, no problem at all. Okay, so I know that at the moment I'm in a restricted flying area. I'm in a rural town in New South Wales. Here we go, authorization zone. So we'll see if it lets me take off. So I'll wait for my home point to be updated. It looks like it already has. I've got 10 satellites there, and you can see that I am in that authorization zone. Right on the edge of it, but I'm still in the authorization zone. So this is unable to take off. So what I need to do, so bring my sticks down, check complete. Okay, so I've brought my sticks down. Now I'm at Weewar Airport, so authorization zone. Unlock area, click on unlock. I'm qualified, I agree, blah, blah, blah. Confirm, unlock successful, done.
Home point updated.
And there you go. And that's how you do it. And it's sunny Weewar. And that is how you do it. That's how you unlock.